I spent ages coming up with this pun. You ready? You will not believe what the content for this video is today. Hello. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm sat in exactly the same place as I was last week. In today's video I wanted to run through all the crochet projects I want to do by the end of the summer, which realistically I'm probably going to do one because I've got so many lined up that it's never going to happen, but you know, I can dream. You might know that I like to crochet. And honestly there are just so many projects going on in my head that I want to do that I need to get out, because if I don't then my brain's going to explode. So that's what we're going to do today. Most of these I found on Pinterest, like TikTok and things. But the one I'm probably most likely to do is this butterfly top, because I was looking for the wool for it yesterday, but I can't find a green variegated wool that I like yet. So if you've got one that's kind of similar to this, let me know what it is because I want to buy it. But look how cute that is. She's added sleeves and I'm going to do the same because it's getting towards the end of the summer. Then there's this top. Nice. Then there's this top which is going around a lot. This one which kind of has the same vibe, but it's not so, it hasn't got the pointy bit at the bottom, which I want to do. I also want to do it in a single colour rather than variegated yarn, because don't get me wrong, I like this one, but like the colours aren't necessarily very me. There's this top. This is literally on a TikTok of a girl saying that she doesn't like it. But I love it. So I want to make it. I don't know how, but we'll figure it out. I'm doing a similar one at the moment, which I'll put up here. There wasn't a pattern for it, so I've kind of made it up as I go along, but I've only done the cup so far, so it could go downhill from here, but we'll have to see. I made this, by the way. Just, I thought it'd be rude not to wear something I crocheted in a video talking about crochet. You know, I made these shorts recently. If you've seen my TikTok, which I was almost 100% sure would go viral, it didn't. It's like I can't figure out that damn algorithm. I can't figure out any damn algorithm apparently. There are these, I can't remember what they're called. I really like these cut out tops. I think this one's made by, or even inspired by another name I can't remember that I'll pop on the screen, but she's got loads of cool tops like this, but I want to make one. Pretty sure it's knitted though, which is going to kill me because I don't like knitting. This bikini is beautiful. I've made the top half, but I don't know how I feel about a bikini, crocheted bikini bottom. I might make it. Here's another one that I really like. I really like this one. I don't know how I'd do it. I think I've got the colours though. No, I haven't, that's a lie. It's by House of Sunny, but I figured I could crochet it myself, and House of Sunny I think is pretty expensive. I have never really looked. This top, I know it's probably just a micro trend at the moment, and it's, what do they say? Sometimes I feel like a grandma because I'm like looking for the words that people use. Like, I can't bring myself to say some things in captions of videos and things because it sounds too useful. I can't do that to myself. Chuggy, that's the word. It might be chuggy in like a week or two. Not a week or two, in a month or two, but you know what, if I've made it and it's cute, who's gonna actually care? Oh, these trousers. Okay, I've been looking for a pattern for these for ages because, I mean, look at them. I haven't been able to find it. Then yesterday I came across a YouTube video tutorials. The pattern's free and they explain how to do it. I think I squealed. But these are definitely, I'm probably going to finish the top I'm doing now, do the butterfly one, then make these. They probably won't be done by next summer, but I could try. This blanket, okay, this isn't really one for the end of the summer, but I really love it, so I wanted to include it anyway. It's by BB Button. She does the coolest crochet, and I've shown a few people this blanket and they've been like, that's actually really scary, but I kind of love it, so I want to make it for autumn. Actually, yeah, no, it fits this video because if I put it in here then it'll be done for autumn. No, you must have seen these trousers. Again, probably become chuggy in like 2 months. I love them. I think I'm gonna make like a pink and this pattern, I'll put it up on the screen. I haven't got a picture of it in front of me. But I want to make these ones for like autumn, winter time because they're cute. Now this I'd probably make it a bit bigger, to be honest, but I just really liked the color combination and the fact that it's in stripes. I definitely want to make this one as well. I want to make a bucket hat, but I saw a pattern yesterday for a bucket hat that I want to do, and it's beautiful. I'm not really a bucket hat person. I don't feel like they fit my head, but like the obsession of wanting to make a bucket hat is still there. These granny square bags are so cute. I made a crochet bag once before, and I think my mistake was that I didn't line it. It just stretched whenever I put anything in it, but if you line it, I guess it wouldn't stretch so much. I can't think of the word. I think it's called a bolero. I saw someone call one of these a bolero, but then I was of the opinion that a bolero was something else. It's the same pattern as I used for this, except I kind of didn't put the sleeves on, but I want to make one with sleeves. This is the coolest bodysuit I've ever seen in my whole life. Last but not least, there's this smiley face blanket that I want to make for autumn again. I thought I'd include it because I mean it's a crochet pattern, and whenever do I make another one of these videos. But yeah, that is the end of this video. If you've got any other patterns that you think I should make, let me know. Not that I'm gonna be able to make all of those, but you know, a girl can dream. This is a midweek video, so I will see you all on Sunday at 7.